Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Badland Winch Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any off-roading enthusiast, offering a crucial link between you and your winch's power, and ensuring you can operate it safely from a distance, which is why choosing the right replacement is vital for maintaining your vehicle's recovery capabilities and avoiding potential hazards when you're deep in the wilderness or tackling challenging terrain. Number 5. QWORK Wireless Winch Remote Control Kit. Introducing the QWORK Wireless Winch Remote Control Kit. Take command of your winch from up to 150 feet away with this powerful and durable system. This kit is designed for universal compatibility. It works seamlessly with all 12-volt, 250-amp solenoid-operated winches, perfect for your truck, ATV, UTV, or SUV. Enjoy the convenience of wireless control. The built-in antenna ensures a strong signal, allowing you to operate your winch safely and efficiently. Constructed from durable, powder-coated steel, this winch solenoid relay is built to withstand the elements and provide reliable performance for years to come. The package includes the electromagnetic relay, wireless receiver, and 2 remote controls, giving you everything you need to get started. Please note that the remote controls require a 23A12V battery, which is not included in the package. What we like. This kit offers an impressive wireless control range of up to 150 feet, thanks to its built-in antenna design. Its durable steel construction ensures longevity and protection for your vehicle's electrical system. If you often find yourself needing to operate your winch from a significant distance, or if you prioritize robust build quality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly with the Badland winch. It has a good range and is easy to use. The battery life is impressive. Number 4. Tuff Wireless Winch Remote Control Kit. Take control of your winch from a distance with this universal wireless remote kit. It's designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, including trucks, jeeps, cars, ATVs, and SUVs. This system is compatible with most self-recovery winches from major brands like Tuff, Recon, Warn, Ramsey, and many others. It offers broad compatibility for your recovery needs. Enjoy a generous operating range of about 75 feet, giving you plenty of freedom. The compact remote and controller are designed for easy handling and storage. Installation is straightforward, and it works with most 12V solenoid-operated winches. A visual indicator light confirms remote operation for ease of use. The package includes everything you need: a wireless winch receiver, 2 wireless remotes, and an English user manual. Get ready for convenient winch operation. It supports both 12V and 24V systems, making it versatile for different vehicle setups. The remote requires a 12V 27A battery, which is not included. What we like. This wireless remote kit is designed for versatility, supporting both 12V and 24V systems and boasting compatibility with a vast array of winch brands. The remote itself is waterproof, adding an extra layer of durability for various conditions. If you have a mixed fleet of vehicles or winches, or if you frequently operate in wet or dusty environments, this option provides broad applicability and resilience. What people say. The remote works with my Badland winch and is a good replacement. It has a good range and is easy to use. Number 3. QWORK 12V250A Solenoid Relay. This relay is designed for DC 12V systems. It handles continuous currents up to 250A and short peaks of 350A, ensuring reliable power delivery. It's built for 3,000 to 5,000 pounds ATV and UTV winches. Please verify the size and terminal layout match your needs before buying. Constructed with internal silver alloy steel contactors, it provides excellent electrical conductivity. You can expect low resistance for efficient operation. With a standard terminal layout and a smooth black finish, it's made for a direct fit. Installation into most winch control boxes is straightforward. For optimal performance and longevity, ensure it's securely mounted on a flat surface. It's also best to keep it away from direct moisture. What we like. This solenoid relay is built for demanding applications, supporting continuous currents up to 250A and peak currents of 350A, featuring internal silver alloy steel contactors for superior conductivity. Its standard terminal layout ensures an easy, direct fit into most winch control boxes. If you're looking for a reliable replacement solenoid that can handle high loads and offers straightforward installation, this is a solid option. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Badland winch. It was a direct replacement and easy to install. The range on this remote is surprisingly good. Number 2. QWORK 13,500 pounds electric winch kit. Introducing the QWORK 13,500 pounds electric winch kit, your ultimate off-road companion. Experience unparalleled pulling power and reliability in any condition. Operate with confidence from a distance using our new generation wireless remote. Its IP67 waterproof design ensures accurate control, no matter the weather or terrain. Powered by a robust 6.0 HP series wound motor, this winch delivers exceptional performance. The advanced solenoid design prevents overheating and ensures long-lasting durability. Safety is paramount with its power-in and power-out motor for positive load control. Enjoy smooth operation and peace of mind, knowing it's designed to protect both the winch and you. Featuring a modern 3-stage planetary gear system, this winch offers strong traction and high linear speed. Its free-spooling clutch makes it an invaluable tool for any adventure. With a 13,500 pounds load capacity and a 3/8 x 82 feet synthetic rope, it's engineered to tackle the most demanding recovery tasks. Its robust construction ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. What we like. This electric winch kit comes with a powerful 13,500 pounds capacity and features a new generation wireless remote with an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable operation in any weather. It also boasts a reinforced clutch system for increased durability. If you need a heavy-duty winch for challenging recovery situations and value both remote operability in harsh conditions and long-term reliability, this kit is a strong contender. What people say. The remote works with the winch and is a good replacement. It is a good value for the money and works as expected. Number 1. Badland Wireless Winch Remote Control. Introducing the Badland Wireless Winch Remote Control. Take command of your winch from a distance, offering unparalleled convenience and safety. No more being tied to your winch. This remote allows you to operate it from anywhere within range, giving you the freedom you need. Experience effortless control with this advanced remote. Its intuitive design makes operating your winch simple and straightforward. Designed to withstand demanding conditions, this remote is built for tough jobs. Rely on its durability when you need it most. Upgrade your winching experience with this essential accessory. It's the perfect addition for any serious off-roader or outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This wireless winch remote control from Badland offers the convenience of wireless operation from a trusted brand known for its reliable off-road equipment. It provides the essential functionality to operate your winch remotely with ease. If you're a fan of the Badland brand and are looking for a straightforward, dependable wireless remote solution to complement your existing winch, this is a great choice. What people say. The remote works perfectly with the winch. It has a good range and is easy to use. The design is compact and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.